Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that you guys are enjoying your time with your family and friends. Today I wanted to do a Thanksgiving vlog and just take you guys along with me throughout the day and just celebrate with me. So before I head out to my aunt's house, I have to make the broccoli rice cheese casserole, and I need to get that started already because it's 12 o'clock and I need to be at her house by 3 o'clock, and I still have to get my kiddos ready and hopefully head out the door on time. Say happy Thanksgiving, Sebastian. So Sebastian's also going to be celebrating Thanksgiving too, and we bought him a special Thanksgiving treat today. He's going to be having this organics turkey and potato stew. So he's going to be having turkey today too, right Sebastian? I need to start getting ready because I have maybe about an hour before we have to leave, and I still have to put the casserole in the oven. I'm just gonna do a really quick makeup look, nothing complicated. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready because I'm running out of time. I'm gonna put some primer on. I'm just gonna use my fingers, and my hands are clean. And I'm just going to try to put as little foundation as possible. I'm going to try to cover up the redness a little bit. Oh my god, I swear these kids sound like howling wolves. I'm not even showing y'all the products I'm using. So for the foundation, I just used Tarte in light medium, and concealer, I'm just using Maybelline New York number 10. In light Fit Me concealer, and I just put like a tiny bit on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put just a little bit of foundation on my eyelids. I'm gonna go ahead and set the foundation with Makeup Forever Pro Finishing Powder in the number 115. It's a little bit light for me, but I'm just gonna use a tiny bit. And I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Bronzer in medium number 3, and I'm just gonna use a little bit to just put some color into my face, just around the temples and the forehead, a little bit on the cheekbone, a little bit under here. Try to hide this little double chinny chin. And I'm gonna go in with my Tarte color wheel and this Montage color right here. I'm gonna brush these caterpillars out. My Anastasia Brunette Dark Brown Duo Brow Powder. Fill these bad boys in. Just a little bit. See what difference it makes. have this Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. I'm just gonna use first 4 colors, so these are here. I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone really quickly. I'm gonna bring that down to the lid as well as my base color. Nude and the crease. Mix Commando and Tempted together and use that in the outer crease. I'm gonna use a little bit of Tempted under bottom lash line. And I'm gonna take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil and Muse just to thicken the lash line a little bit. And I'm using Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. My tarantula eyelashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some lip liner on, and I'm using Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Cat Bite. And I'm using the NYX Merlot, and this is in a matte shade. And it's just a really pretty berry color. So that's how I'm going to Thanksgiving. I'm wearing a polka dot navy sweater that I got from Old Navy, and I just have some opal earrings on. I have to put these on too. Also going to wear my Shema bracelet. I made this. So I'm ready, guys. Oh my gosh, it's already 2:46. I have to put the casserole in the oven quickly, and then we're gonna leave to my aunt's house, and then I'll show you guys how they have the table decorated and all the food that we're eating. And if anybody wants to be in the film, I'll let you guys see some of my family members. And I'll see you guys at dinner. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
The men are watching the game. Let's eat. So it's the day after Thanksgiving, and I wanted to go ahead and properly end this vlog here. And I hope that you guys enjoyed just spending time with me and my family on Thanksgiving and seeing what we traditionally cook and just how we spend the day with each other. And I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye!